Welcome to Endeavor Solutions' 7-part mini-series on the top 7 tips for a successful digital transformation with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This series was created as a response on how your organization can take advantage of BC's exponential expansion and continued innovation in AI. Now, with that said, let's dive into tip number 4. Over to you, Scott.
So, Business Central, tip number 4, connect Business Central with your CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, really driving your customer experience. There's opportunities to create connections, synchronize data between these customer-facing systems and Business Central. So what to look for? Look for inquiries made into the finance team from your customer-centric teams. Salespeople, marketing people, customer service may be making inquiries into your team. These inquiries take time because you have to understand what the request is, go and find the information, and provide it back in a timely manner. These are often disruptions from the day-to-day processes that your finance people are working on. Look to build a common understanding of the data between your CRM and Business Central. Are there common fields that go across the two systems? Which system should be in charge? Who do you trust for updating that data across the two systems? Also look for changes in data that can serve as a trigger. There's a variety of means within Power Apps, Power Automate, and Business Central, as well as Dynamics 365, to look at different triggers. So if a mailing address changes within the CRM system, should someone automatically be notified within finance team to know that we should be updating that information within Business Central? Should that be automated? And vice versa. Are there key triggers within Business Central that should notify sales, marketing, customer service? A key one would be a change in status on credit. If the credit worthiness declines on a client of yours and you put them on credit hold, can the other teams be notified in an automated fashion that helps improve the collaboration and working within your organization? So tip number 4, connecting Business Central to your CRM, how to resolve this. First of all, build a decision matrix for the data that is synchronized. Find out which data should be the truth, which individuals are allowed to update key information, and what do you deal if there's a conflict in data. How can you dive into metrics that can benefit the CRM users? Look at that from their perspective. Often there's many reports that they would find useful, or they may reach out to finance for some of this key information on a monthly, quarterly, or even an annual basis. A great example is the top unit sales by customer. They have the customer information, but the sales data for actual processes of orders is often in Business Central, your ERP. Can you push key read-only types information into their CRM, such as credit limits or an updates on the collection status for key customers? Often that additional context will help with customer service and sales individuals as they're dealing with your customers on a day-to-day basis. Use the Business Central Dataverse connection wizards. There's a whole setup guide that can facilitate the connection between Dynamics 365 CRM and Business Central, as well as there's tools and processes from Endeavor and others that'll help connect to Salesforce.com or other CRM systems if you're not fully on a unified Microsoft platform. And finally, Microsoft Power BI can embed reports within Business Central and within Dynamics 365 CRM. Using reports can be a way to aggregate data and aggregate the view of data for users. You don't necessarily have to synchronize all the information back and forth. Sometimes it's just a report that provides that illusion of synchronized data, but the data is actually staying in the disparate systems.
Well, thanks, Scott. What an insightful recommendation. Follow us on LinkedIn and stay tuned for the next episode, or for how Endeavor Solutions can help you get more out of your Business Central ERP. Visit endeavorsolutions.ca/7tips. Well, we'll see you there.